Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered where people get all those sounds like this?
Jesus is Lord!
Okay, I'm here to teach you how to get those sounds that you will add to your videos when you post on Facebook. So if you are ready, let's go. You go to your search bar and click on My Instant. I've already opened it up, but because I'm teaching, so I'm going to write it again. In Nigeria, you search for it. So you click the first one, it will bring, so you can see everything like this. So let's click on one. It's so easy, it's not something so hard. It's still booting. It's going to, and in a few minutes time it's going to do. You can hear. It's very easy. So if you want to download it, you click on the name. Click on the name, then you scroll down, then you see the download. Why is it going back? Sorry. Okay. So you scroll down, you see download MP3. You click on download MP3. So because I've already downloaded before, so I will still click download. That's why it's showing it for me. So you can see from here. So when you open it from your gallery, it will have automatically gone to your gallery. But see, I've already downloaded it twice. So that is how it is. So it's very easy and straightforward. Hope you got one or two things there. There are so many things that you can download there. So if you want me to teach you how to add it to your videos, please write it on the comment section. Thank you. And please like, share to 2 people and follow my page for more. Thank you.